How to locate your Chrome browser download on iPhone. So hello guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. In this quick tutorial, I'll be showing you how you can easily locate your download folder inside of Chrome. So let's say in this scenario, I've downloaded a sample zip file in my Chrome browser inside of my iPhone. So what I can do first step is just click on this open in button over here and make sure you click on this open in download. And as you can see, it has successfully opened this my downloaded zip folder file inside of the Chrome. So to actually see this in the Chrome point of view, what you can do is just head back, and from here once again click back, and once you're inside this section, just click on this on my iPhone option over here and just click on this Chrome, and then you will finally see the downloaded zip file inside of a Chrome. So that is exactly how you can easily locate the downloaded zip file inside of a Chrome. So I hope this video was helpful guys. If it was, don't forget to like and subscribe to the channel. See you on the next one.